Good morning, dear student. In today's online classes for senior student, especially 11th and 12th, I will teach them about article. Article. आपको हम article के बारे में पढ़ाएंगे. You see that perhaps I think you have seen newspapers. In all the newspapers, there are articles. आर्टिकल जितने भी न्यूज़पेपर सब में आर्टिकल ही लिखे जाते हैं. आपने देखा होगा आर्टिकल में एक हेडिंग पड़ती है और उसके बाद लिखना चालू कर दिया जाता है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर आर गिवन सम हिंट्स ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रीड द हिंट्स. IIT इंडियन फेयर एट प्रगति मैदान में हुआ था. ऑल लीडिंग कंट्रीज पवेलियन, चाइनीज पवेलियन मोस्ट विजिटेड सबसे ज़्यादा देखा जाता था. ऑल इंडियन स्टेट पवेलियन भी थे. दिल्ली पवेलियन ट्रू मैक्सिमम टू क्राउड टुवार्ड्स बाई हरियाणा. इसके बाद फॉलोड बाई हरियाणा हुआ था. कल्चरल प्रोग्राम हुए थे. फूड कोर्ट्स पुलर एक क्राउड पुलर थी. हाई प्राइस ऑफ बिट डैमेजिंग मतलब उच्च कीमत थोड़ी बहुत नष्ट कर रही थी विजिटर्स स्प्रेड को. सो टू राइट एन आर्टिकल यू हैव टू राइट ए हेडिंग. आपकी एक हेडिंग का आवश्यकता पड़ती है. हेडिंग आपकी कुछ भी हो सकती है. आप लिख सकते हो IIT एट प्रगति मैदान. ओके एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू बिगिन योर आर्टिकल लाइक दिस. आई एम टेलिंग यू जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन प्रगति मैदान ऑन 18 नवंबर ए बर्ड फेयर वाज हील्ड. दुनिया का मेला आयोजित किया गया था इन प्रगति मैदान में. एंड इन द फेयर all the leading countries pavilion were presented. They were showing their goods in a very attractive way. Chinese pavilion. Now the Chinese pavilion was the most visited by the people because there all the articles prices were low. And in the fair there were all Indian states pavilion. They were selling their goods of their states. The Delhi pavilion drew maximum crowd. After that, Haryana pavilion was second. In the fair, there were some cultural programs of different countries, including our all the states in India. There was a food court in the fair, and it was the most crowd-full area. People were eating different kind of foods from different states and other countries too. But some of the pavilions marked or selling their goods with high prices. So it was damaging their visitors spirit को damage कर रही थी. Dear student, I am telling you again now there was a fair held at Pragat Maidan World Fair, and in the fair all the leading countries there were all the leading countries pavilion. They were showing their goods in a very attractive way. All Indian state pavilion means कि in the fair there were all Indian state pavilion. They were selling their different states pavilion. The Delhi pavilion drew the maximum crowd. After that second was Haryana's pavilion जो खींच रहा था. In the fair there had been many cultural programs of different states and even other countries too. In the fair there was a food court counter, and in the counter it was the most crowd puller. People were eating different kinds of food from different states and different countries. Some other states or countries pavilion were selling their goods with high prices. It was damaging the visitors' spirits a lot. They were not able to purchase the things. Okay, in the fair I enjoyed too much. That's all.